Hello friends, I'm Pranjal here and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll show you how to make this cute and easy DIY phone stand. So let's begin. To make this, you'll just need a sheet of paper and do all the folds shown in this video. After doing all these steps, you need to fold it in half, like this. And after doing so, you need to flip this upside down. This means the open side should come up and the closed at the bottom. Now with a ruler, mark 2 centimeters and draw a line. Fold along the line which we made. After doing all these steps, you need to open it like this. And then fold this part on the line which I'm showing you right now, like this. You have to do the same thing from the second part. Fold it towards the line which I just showed you. And then insert the first flap inside the second one, like this. Now start drawing a design on it. I'm making a cute panda, but you can make any other design if you want to. And our cute stand is ready. You can see how nicely the phone stands on it, both vertically as well as horizontally. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon to get to know the latest updates.